Hello friends, I hope that you all had seen my video of yesterday which I had mentioned that market will have a gap up opening and it may test around 11,375 or it may test 11,433, which it did at 12:15. If you see, the candle had the pressure and came down till 11,363 areas, and after that, thanks to Reliance Industries, which had a very wonderful rally today, along with the expiry, which the max pain area was around 11,450, market was able to reach over those areas of 11,450s. Now market took some pressure at this candle because this was the engulfing candle on 1 hour. So in Nifty, what do I expect tomorrow? Now let us talk about tomorrow. So tomorrow there are two possibilities. Nifty can have a gap down opening because there is a pressure in this area, and it might just come and test this 11,327 areas. Or the second possibility is that we might test this areas of 11,520 areas of tomorrow, having a small minor gap up, market reaching over this areas, and we might see a selling pressure a bit. Now market, I don't see in a very bullish condition. If market needs to have a new rally, it needs to close above this 11,520. so this is as of now from my end for Nifty. Let us check what does Nifty Bank have for us today. Just a second. So I'll just remove all this marking. Let us analyze Bank Nifty from the beginning. So Bank Nifty out here had a very steep uptrend in the weekly market. If I see in my monthly market, it still looks a bit into pressure because this particular area is creating a little bit of selling pressure on the market. So if you see this particular zone, the selling is coming in this areas. If I connect a very long-term trend line, I see why did the market bounce from this areas. If you see this particular monthly uptrend channel trend line. So now if I go to weekly time frame, the same, this particular trend line is holding very strong, and this, if you see, this trend line is coming into action, and it tried to save market today closing below this trend line. Now if I go and see daily, what do I see in the daily market is that market took a very good bounce. So what do I expect? If tomorrow Bank Nifty closes above or stays above this particular level or high of this doji bar, that is 22,678, let's take it 79. If market stays above this particular area, I would go for buy in Bank Nifty with the first target of high of this candle, that is high is 23,394, 23,395. I'll take the round figure, and the next target of mine would be high of this candle or the opening of this candle, which is a better area to be exit, that is the open of 23,986, 986. So this is the analysis of mine for the coming days in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you guys.